technology is technology. There's certainly nuances around each industry, but at the end of the day, to come in and fill that role, the vertical doesn't matter so much.
Welcome to the iCorps experience.
So each industry obviously has its own individual challenges. Financial services tend to have more regulatory compliance concerns. Manufacturing can have that as well. It really depends on what sector you're in as far as where the real high-level guidelines go. Technology is technology, and the true need is we want to fit whatever technological solutions are out there to your business. If that means that we need a new ERP system for your manufacturing firm, we're going to work through that whole process. I may not be an expert on ERPs, but I'm going to work through hand in hand with the rest of your team. And a lot of what I'm doing is actually translating from tech speak to plain English so that the executive team and the stakeholders within the company understand what they're getting. Versus when you're working with a network engineer or a systems engineer, they're going to be highly technical. And they may be able to translate some things, but they're not seeing big picture. At the vCIO level, it's big picture thinking, it's big picture conversations, it's high level roadmaps, and it's translating and connecting people, ultimately really connecting people on the tech side to the business side and whatnot. And as far as the vertical goes, that doesn't change a whole lot, but there is a little bit of experience in certain areas that helps. Financial services, there's certain tools that they all work in. Hospitality is the same type of thing. On the hospitality front, that's probably where I have the most hands-on experience. There's 10 or 12 different vendors out there for any particular product on that. So vetting those products, making sure that they fit what the company's needs are, that's a big part of the role.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time on the iCorps experience.